For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. In 2020, Uniswap decentralized trade was at the focal point of the publicity around decentralized finance, DeFi. The stage sent off its local digital money, Uniswap Uni, in September 2020. The symbolics cost blast, and in 2 or 3 days, Uni previously was in the main 40 digital forms of money by market capitalization. What is the fate of Uni digital currency, and what is a potential Uniswap cost expectation? Figure out in this video. What is Uniswap? Uniswap decentralized trade was at first delivered in November 2018. The stage is a DApp in light of the Ethereum blockchain, which empowers the trading of Ether to an assortment of ERC20 tokens. Uniswap boosts liquidity suppliers by giving them commission charges. Uniswap digital money was sent off in 2020 and presently is utilized for casting of ballot rights, central turns of events, and so on. In 2021, the Uni token began its exhibition stunningly, alongside the entire digital currency market. In January, Uni's cost was just $5, and before the month's over, this figure moved to $20. The symbolic cost came to the $30 point as of now toward the finish of February. You can follow the Uniswap cost changes live in the gadget underneath. Why did the Uniswap project blast a year ago? The most importantly reasons are the stage's ease of use and reconciliation with the MetaMask wallet. In addition, the clients are in full control of their confidential keys. The other DEX's points of interaction were not quite as natural as the Uniswap's. So a robotized market creator has a publicly released code. There is no structure book or any mediators. That is the reason this decentralized stage makes the course of trade smooth and simple. Uniswap depends on the automated market maker framework. Liquidity is made by pools with ERC20 tokens. Liquidity suppliers charge a commission on each trade, 0.3%. These expenses are diverted to the pool save reserve. Uni holders get 0.05% on each commission, while liquidity suppliers get the excess 0.25%. Uniswap isn't the principal project with however it certainly promoted the advancement of this heading, because of which other comparable conventions started to show up. Uniswap is a critical gas provider on the Ethereum network because of the various exchange charges in this convention. Nonetheless, it turned into an issue of late. The Ethereum convention charges became huge, however the Ethereum group has previously been searching for an answer for the versatility issue. Unitechnical analysis. The cost activity has been explanatory alongside the entire crypto market for the beyond couple of months. The rate development is normal since Uniswap is sending off the third variant, Uniswap v3. As per the clients by means of the TradingView stage, who are responsible for the Uniswap specialized examination, anticipate Uni token to be on the main 5 altcoins list this mid-year. They say that the individuals who contribute now get 3x benefit. Indeed, exceptionally bullish. Uniswap price prediction 2022. As per the specialized examination of Uniswap costs expected in 2022, the base expense of Uniswap will be $5.86. The greatest level that the unit cost can reach is $6.71. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $6.09. August 2022. Uniswap price forecast. Around mid-year 2022, the unit cost will be exchanged at $5.41 by and large. August 2022 could likewise observe an expansion in the Uniswap worth to $5.76. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $5.18 in August 2022. Uni price forecast for September 2022. Crypto specialists have examined Uniswap costs in 2022, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to September 2022 $5.52. The most minimal and top Uni rates may be $5.33 and $5.97. October 2022. Uniswap price forecast. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2022, the unit cost will be around $5.74. In October 2022, the Uniswap cost might drop to at least $5.51. The normal pinnacle worth may be $6.19 in October 2022. Unit price forecast for November 2022. Having dissected Uniswap costs, digital money specialists expect that the unit rate could arrive at a limit of $6.48 in November 2022. It may, notwithstanding, drop to $5.67. For November 2022, the estimated normal of Uniswap is almost $5.86. December 2022. Uniswap price forecast. Around mid-2022, the Uniswap cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $6.09. Crypto experts expect that in December 2022, the unit cost could vacillate somewhere in the range of $5.86 and $6.71. Uniswap price prediction 2023. After the examination of the costs of Uniswap in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of Uniswap will be around $8.72. The most extreme expected unit cost might be around $10.26. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $9.02 in 2023. Uniswap price prediction 2024. In view of the specialized examination by cryptographic money specialists in regards to the costs of Uniswap, in 2024, unit is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs. About $12.53 and $15.20, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $12.98. Uniswap price prediction 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money have dissected the costs of Uniswap and their variances during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base unit cost could drop to $18.03, while its most extreme can reach $21.75. Overall, the exchanging cost will be around $18.68. Uniswap price prediction 2026. In light of the examination of the expenses of Uniswap by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least unit costs are normal in 2026. $31.92 and $25.87. By and large, it will be exchanged at $26.62. Uniswap price prediction 2027. Crypto specialists are continually investigating the variances of Uniswap. In view of the